Kublai pi baro sa katup Khubor jongi ka Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan Shillong. Sa shitayo penjalan biang ka sarkar ka jingkhang dam. Enun poi biang 100,000 telikiti ka COVID-19 kontrak ke sangma. Batsha ka sarkar banti ki baji ki jaka mani blai. Timentang ni phaish ki Khubor ki bakhambania. Wat lada ka jingkio jong uknyang jingpang COVID-19 haka jela kala zangduna, henry ka sarkar hne ka singi haka review meeting kala shimya karai, ban penjalan bang ka jingkhang dam hadu ka khatsau tarek jelio 8,000 phawai.
That is showing some kind of a relief and indicating to some kind of an improvement in the overall situation. We are nowhere close to letting our guards down or taking things easy. So therefore, though it has been very difficult for the people of the state, especially for Shillong and East Khasi Hills, the cabinet and the government has decided that we'll continue the lockdown for at least 1 week more. I know that a lot of people will face difficulties and challenges, but the health aspect is far more important to each and every one of us. As I speak, as I said, 104 people are fighting for their lives in different hospitals. And today itself, we have lost so many precious lives. So therefore, though it's a very tough decision, I urge and appeal to the people to please cooperate and work together with the government so that we are once and for all able to bring things under complete control. Things are improving. I'm positive that in the coming week, after this next 1 week is over, we should be able to see things ease down a bit more. Early to say, but looks like if we can control things in the next 1 week, if we all work together, if we're all committed, and we all simply bear this next 1 week, I'm sure that in the coming week after that, we should be able to see things improving drastically.
Hagani ka review meeting ka sarkar kala sharu banti ki baji hai ki yeng mane lani ki jaka mane blai bapher halor ka jingkat pa jong katto kani ki reunium haka jilla.
We also got a special request from certain church leaders that if they could be allowed to ring the bells in the church. So therefore, government has decided that such activities for all faiths, not just for the churches, but for all faiths, which do not involve people's gathering, does not involve a large crowd, these activities will be allowed.
Habakrench ki lal pathai Khubor, umintri rang ba ka jela ula ongru, bala IT ha ki deputy commissioner ban pe ki jing don kam ha ki shnong ki thau bat ki yo ki had, ban petru ya ki jing bun brio.
Allowing the deputy commissioners to open up economic activities on a need basis. So therefore, if the deputy commissioners feel that certain sectors can be opened or need to be opened up, certain activities can and need to be opened up, which will not give a huge risk in terms of gathering, we are allowing the deputy commissioners the liberty to allow those need-based activities to be opened up even in the coming week, apart from the other activities which we have already opened up in this current week. Number two, we have also allowed the subdivision and the block officials, that is the BDOs and the SDOs, also to recommend to the Deputy Commissioner to allow rural activities, rural economic activities, depending on the prevalence. We realize that though the numbers are high, there are many areas which don't have very high numbers. There are areas which can have certain economic activities but no gatherings, but can have economic activities which may be very important for the livelihood of the people, but may not have the kind of effect on the spread of the virus. So those activities also, especially in the rural areas where the livelihoods have been hit very hard.
Umintri rang baka jela ula ongru, baka jela kan sayo pediang sa 100,000 telikiti ka COVID-19 nakabentaki khatpra hadu 100% snem.
Vaccination drive also is going on. Of course, as you know, we have shortage of oxygen, we have shortage of vaccine, as it is in the rest of the country also. But we are expecting another 66,000 doses for the 18 to 45 age category in the next 5 to 6 days' time. We have already made the payments for those. So those will also be rolled out in a systematic manner. Similarly, we have close to 71,000 doses for the 45 plus category. And both the vaccination programs are going on, though because of the shortage of the vaccination, we are not able to provide all the vaccines to everybody as per the requirement and desire of the people.
Badaki tu ki Khubor ngila po siya bakod, tak ada bangin niya siyang biyang kublay sibon.